Come test drive the 2019 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, privacy glass, LED headlights, tires, front all-terrain. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.